Abu Dhabi. I'm happy, you know, Nasrat. I found this ring. Look like a Philippine. See? I love to see the rain. I miss Philippine. I miss Philippine. Of the rain. Eid Mubarak in the universe. Ya Allah, I taste the rain, the rain, the rain, the rain. The rain is falling in Abu Dhabi. Thank you Allah sa ulan. Thank you Allah sa ulan. Nararamdaman ko na nasa Pilipinas ako. Seems like a Philippines. Look like a Philippines. See? See? They're happy. Almost a year that there's no rain in the UAE. Yay! Thank you Allah. Thank you for the rain. Even though one day only, at least we can feel the warmth of the earth here in Abu Dhabi. After so hot, like 45 degrees, it's come the rain. Thank you for Allah for blessings. We're so grateful there's a rain. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't wait to stop this, but until next time.